All right, so on the last video, we made this work, all right, but we thought that, our search was not working, our search engine was not working, but it was working. We just did not give it any content to display once it found the search, once it found the result. Some result, as you can see here, and we did this in the last one, I just deleted it. It is displaying some of it, and if I go here, well, that's what it was before. But if I go here, hello, well, no result on that one. And if I go here like Belinda, which some results, all right, JavaScript, no, some results. You see that? So what we want to do is we can't have this search in, we can't have something else come here because we are in the sidebar. So what we need to do is we need to move all this data somewhere else. All right, we need to move all this functionality from the sidebar. So what we need to do is make another page, make this form submit to that other page, and we're gonna take all this data with us. All right, so we're gonna take all this, delete it, well, not delete it, I control X or command X on your keyboard, and let's just make a new file. Let's just do it from the index page. You can grab the index, all right, and do a save as, and let's call this search.php. We should put this inside includes actually, and let's leave it there for now. Later on we will take it out of there. We'll do it later, that's fine. Let's do it like this for now. All right, so let's just make this right here in the same root as our index, just to show you how it works. All right, so this is the search here, and what we want to do is, this is the same page now. If I go to search here, we're gonna have some of the data here, same data displayed to us. We want to take some of this data out of there, especially this, from here to there. But we're gonna be putting our code right here. I think we have some PHP tags that we need to worry about, but I'm gonna copy this there, and we need to take that out. You see that PHP right here and this PHP. What I want to do is, inside this else that says result, I want to put all this information right here. So I'm going to take all this, I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to display right here on this else. I'm going to put it in there. All right, so what I did, perfect. Now we see a lot of information here, but later on we're going to be able to, at the end, we're going to refactor this and make this into functions. Right now we're not going to worry about it. I think it looks good right now, and it does what we need right now. So another thing that we need to do, actually, we need to go back to the sidebar and make this sidebar, the form, submit to that specific page. So let's make it submit to search.php. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. Let's go to our front page index, and let's see if that works out. Hello, click on it, and we get an error, of course. Unexpected end of the file, 118. I had a feeling that was going to do that. 118 on the site search. Yeah, we have an end of the file here, mistake. We have a lot of this is breaking this syntax right here. What we need is to end right here. I think it should work fine now. Perfect. Let's go back to the index again, and let's look for something. Hello, click on it, no result. Let's click Belinda, and then we get that post, that only that specific post that says Belinda, right? Let's look for I don't know what else. What can we look for? Belinda right there. Let's look for let's see on a database what we can look for. Structure, actually posts, and Edwin. Let's look for Edwin. Well, Edwin, it's that we only have two posts there, and that's why it finds that. But it is working now. Let's look for PHP. All right, let's look for PHP and see how that works. We should make another post and try it out like that. PHP finds that information, finds Belinda there. But the only problem is, and I'll show you right now, is that it's displaying everything. What we want to do is just display what the search is, just one item, all right, one individual item per search. So that's the only thing that we want to display. So that's why this is displaying everything, because every time you find something, it just displays the whole thing. Right now we want to make this display just a specific individual post. All right, so for that we just basically not put this in the loop, right? We're not gonna be putting, we got to select it from what we want. All right, so let's fix that. Actually, we want to actually find a post, not a bunch of information. So we select from post where that, and depending on that we select everything from post here, and we'll display the same post over and over again there. And that is the problem. All right, so we need to take this out of here, because right now we have that there. We don't need it. We have that there, and we don't have a while loop, so we just need a while loop. Right now we just take this out of here, and I think we're good. Just with this, we have to change this query, search query, and put it into the while loop here, because that's our search query. We need to do that. All right, so now we will get individual results. It was working fine. It's just it was not working for 100%. It was just finding the post and everything else with it. So now let's check it out again, and now we should have something better. All right, so we have everything here. Let's just type in Belinda and see what happens. Oh, nice, right? Now we just found that specific post, right? Let's put PHP. Click on it. Just PHP. That's it. Nothing else, right? Now our custom search engine is perfect. Anyway, I hope you like this tutorial, this lecture, and I hope you learn a lot. So anyway, I see you on the next one. All right. Take care.